Microsoft has made it possible for you to find any lost laptop or computer using the inbuilt Microsoft tools. For this, you will not need to install any software. It is freely available for each and every Microsoft user. So if you have lost any gadget, a laptop or a computer, I'm going to show you how you can trace it and find the precise location where your gadget is. So tag along and let me show you how you can do so. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. So let's get started. So if you've lost any of your gadget, you can easily trace it using another device. But first you need to have logged into your previous or your lost laptop with an email that we are going to use. So to trace the location or where your lost laptop is, just go to Start menu here and then click on Settings. Now under Settings, look for the option called Update and Security. So as you can see, I have an email I've logged in here. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on this option called Update and Security. Now under this Windows Update, we have a variety of options here, and one of the options available on this device is Find My Device option. Just like on your smartphone, we also have this feature on Microsoft Windows. So go ahead and click on Find My Device. And now by default, devices come with this option turned on, Find My Device turned on. So the highest percentage is your lost laptop has this turned on. Now to trace it, go ahead and choose this option called Take More Action for Lost Device on your account page. So click on this account under Microsoft. And here you'll have to go ahead and now log in with the same email. So I'll go ahead and do so. Then click on Next. Then send a code that will be sent to your email. And now you'll receive a code on that email, of which you have to enter it here. So let me go ahead and grab it. And that is my code. Then I'll go ahead. And this will take me to this page. And here under devices, I'll be able to see all the devices that I have ever logged in with this email. So you can see currently I only have a computer that I'm using logged into this email. And as you can see, we have the details of this computer that I'm using. So if your email is logged into another device, you will see the list of all those devices listed here. And then you'll also be able to see the location if you have turned your location on. From this, you'll also be able to see other information such as the serial number of your devices. And you can now use this Find My Device option to know the precise location where your gadget is. And if I click on it, it will open up the map. And then now you can use this Find option to trace your device. So that's how you can trace the location of your lost laptop or computer using Microsoft tools. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.